This new and improved 10 inches bandsaw is a replacement for our previous. Numerous features make this bandsaw extremely easy to operate and make adjustments to the blade, guides, and fence. The increased cutting capacity, 2 blade speeds, and increased half HP motor are quite ample enough for smaller projects and will be appreciated by woodworkers having limited shop space for a larger size bandsaw. Improved features for easy operation, 2 blade speeds, tool-less blade guides, quick-release blade tension lever, tilting 0 to 45 degrees cast iron table, adjustable rip fence, larger blade tension knob, dust port for shop vacuum hookup, side windows for viewing blade tracking settings, storage hanger for the fence and tools, and safety paddle on-off switch. The reduced size is ideal for transporting or storing when not in use. Includes rip fence. The steel stand is available separately. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. This redesigned model includes a new 2/2 inches dust port which have been moved up from the base and are also now tilted upward 10 degrees. So dust fittings will attach to it easier. The door hinges have been redesigned to make them sturdier to avoid breakage. Fence carrier now has 4 additional plastic inserts in case fence tilt adjustments are needed. Rip fence is supplied with a plastic pad on its end to allow the fence to slide easier. Lower bandsaw frame construction has been improved for positioning of the lower connecting plate and guide assembly. Screws in the lower connecting plate have been changed for easier access with hex wrenches if plate adjustment is needed. Upper bandsaw frame and guide assembly have been tweaked to ensure a consistent 5 inches maximum cutting height can be achieved. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. High quality machine. This product includes this Deluxe Bandsaw and 5 16-inch by 70 inches 6 TPI bandsaw blade. Great for producing smooth cuts in wood, metal, and more. This machine is perfect for any craftsman's project. Toggle between 2 different blade speeds to cut nearly anything. Number 2. Motor details. The increased cutting capacity and increased half HP motor make this bandsaw great for small to medium-sized projects. Motor, half HP, 5.5 amp, 110 volts, 1720 RPM. Blade speeds, 1515 or 3280 feet per minute. Number 3. Table details. The tilting 0 to 45 degrees cast iron table makes for easy operation. Table size, 13 3/4 inches by 12 inches. Table tilt, 5 degrees left, 45 degrees right. Number 4. Dimensions. Fence size, 12 1/4 inches by 2 3/8 inches. Dust port size, 2 inches odd, 2 1/4 inches ID. Base size, 15 7/8 inches width by 9 3/8 inches depth. Overall size, 34 1/4 inches height by 21 inches width by 16 1/4 inches depth. Number 5. Features. Features tool-less blade guides, quick-release blade tension lever, large blade tracking knob and viewing window, dust port for shop vacuum hookup, and a safety paddle on-off switch. Comes with a 5 16-inch by 6 TPI regular blade and a 5-year limited warranty. Rikon Power Tools is dedicated to designing and manufacturing woodworking machinery of the highest quality that enhances the woodworking experience, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.